those wey dey fear God and wey dey walk according to him way, dem lucky o. For you, if na so for you, you go eat well from the thing wey you don use your hand work. You go happy well. E go dey well with you. Your wife, e go dey like one fruitful plant wey dey by your house. Your children go dey like olive plant dem wey dey around your table. Make una look. Na so the man lucky. Na so blessing go follow the man well wey dey fear God. Jehovah go bless you out of that holy place wey they call Zion. And you go see the good of Jerusalem all the day them where you go live. Yes. You go see your children them. You go see your children them picking them. And make peace dey unto Israel.